Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. Now the first thing you want to do is install Gboard, and you can find it from the Play Store. So if you have the Play Store, you can simply go ahead and open it, and you can search there by simple typing Gboard, right? So once you type in Gboard, you can simply search for it, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can simply go ahead and install it, right? You will see the install button and you can install it. And once this is installed, guys, you can easily go to your settings and then go to general management, click on keyboard list and defaults, and you will find Gboard in the list here. And all you have to do is just enable it, click on OK. Then if you want to select that Gboard as their default keyboard, then you want to tap on that and then select Gboard, and from now Gboard will be installed, enabled, and selected as your default keyboard. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.